Okay, so I'm just going to go through the two trades that I have taken today. I'm just going to use these videos as a way to like journal my own trades because this is what I've not been doing for a long time. Okay, so right now, first of all, we have the pair GBP USD, and this shows over here where I took the trade today. So I'm just going to break that down. It was a quite short trade. Obviously, the price has been dropping since. Um, but I got my 18 pips, 18, 20 pips, and I did a runner. That's all I need to do every day. Just keep compounding, get those 15, 20 pips every day, and then that's it. I should be sorted. I am doing the FTMO challenge. This was going on. I am still in a loss, but right now on the road to recovery and sticking to my plan, which is taking very few trades and not over leveraging or anything like that. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just take this a step back to, let's say, around 6 o'clock, yeah, because this is when I came onto the charts and I took the trade. So I'll just delete this. So basically what I did was I went through the daily, yeah. So daily at that point, this daily did not exist, yeah. This happened today. This is the today's candle. So I came here. I was like, you know what? Let me just draw my support and resistances over here. So this was the support. Resistance is too far away, and I was looking to see where the price could actually go to. Yeah. So I was looking at this area over here. Anytime you're looking to see where the price is going to go, you have to look to the left. So this is exactly what I was doing. So I went on the 4 hour. Yeah, and this was 2 o'clock at night and 6 o'clock it closed. That's what happened. Yeah, very small bullish candle in a downtrend, very small bullish candle. And whenever that happens, you get a bullish candle, what you can do is once the price breaks, you can make your entry. Yeah, especially given that you have high volume time, which is what I was looking at. So you have 8 o'clock, which is the London Open. So UK time, 8 o'clock, that's the London Open. This is exactly when I took the trade. Yeah. So 4 hour, we were there. This came on at 6. Okay. So we go on to the 1 hour. This is what was happening when I came onto the charts. Yeah. Let's take it forward a little bit. Oh no, whoa. This went way too quick. Way too quick. Was not expecting that. Was not expecting that speed. Okay, forward. What is this? 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 7 o'clock. This is when I came onto the charts. Yeah, 7 o'clock. You can tell this is the low of the 4 hour that I pointed out earlier that it needs to break. Yeah. Oh, look, there you go. Yeah. So you go on the 1 hour, and when 1 hour just closed, very strong bearish candle. It broke the previous spot that it had over here, indicating that this price is going to go. And all you have to do is wait for the next candle to open, make a top wick first, and then drop down. Yeah, this is what you have to do. So when you go on the 30-minute, what I did was as soon as the next candle opened, as soon as the next one opened, so look, 7:59, the next candle opens up at 8:01. So yeah, look, this is too quick. This was way too quick. It went up a little bit. Yeah, went up a little bit and then it just dropped down. Yeah, dropped down. Let's see how many pips. 7 pips. You got 7 pips. Yeah. So I was trading around then. My entry was where was my entry? My entry was just a little bit late because I had to wait for the confirmation for it to go up and down. This was my entry over here. Yeah. So the price what it did was it came down, it went up a little bit, it kind of scared me, so I closed like a little bit of it. First trade, I wasn't too confident. I should have been more confident, but it is what it is, yeah. But obviously, I kept my actual position open and it just dropped. On the 15-minute, this is what it looked like. Yeah, what a perfect trade. Yeah, this is what we were looking for. We were going with the trend. You do not want to go against the trend. You only want to go with the trend. That's what you want to do. Yeah, if you go against the trend, that's it. You're gonna hurt yourself. You might make a win here and there, but overall in the long run, you're gonna hurt yourself. So what was I actually seeing when I was looking at the charts? Yeah, this was exactly what I've seen. So I come here. Oh, this looks useless. Okay, so you come on to the charts, yeah, and you see what is the price doing, okay? So it made a high, then it made a lower high. It broke this lower high over here. It went up, it could not make a new high, went down, made another lower high. This price over here went ahead and broke the the lower high over here, but it could not maintain it. It could not come back here and do a retest and go up. So it broke down, came up a little bit, and then kept coming down, up, down, up, down. So this is what it was doing. So there's no reason for you to start buying. You can buy these bounces, but what are the chances of you making consistent profits all the time? We don't know. So we just go with the trend, and this is exactly what I did over here. It was based on the 4 hour. It was actually based on the 4 hour. Okay, do you want just deleting all this? Yeah, so it was based on the 4 hour, and also the confluence was the time. The time was just too perfect. The time was just way too perfect. Yeah, 8 o'clock volume time. We already got 4 hour top wick created over here. Yeah, we don't need to worry about it. All we have to do is just wait for a nice close, which was below the spot that was created. Wait for a top wick, and then that's it. Get in. This is what I did. I got in, I trade, and it was a quick, like, literally 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I'm not even sure, like 5 minute trade or whatever. I also got in on GJ. Look at this setup. Look at this over here. Yeah. I'm gonna mark this out for you guys so you can see. Yeah. Look at this over here. And we come here and we look at GU. We look at GU. Look, entry could be over here and then entry could be over here. It's the same concept. It is the same concept that we can apply on GJ and GU. They do go hand in hand, and a lot of times you can't get the same setups, but obviously you have to be very careful in regards to it. Yeah, again, with this I'll just do the analysis that I did in the morning. My analysis not are here. Oh, not look it over here. If you look over here, these are the lines that I drew, these are the zones that I drew, and I was not looking for it to go up. I was just waiting for it to go down. Again, with GJ, I did my analysis over here. Yeah, look, I got this zone, and then this was the next potential zone where I could go to, and then next zone here, then the next zone here. And what's it done? It just kept dropping. It did not stop. With this one, I only got 5 pips. I only got 5 pips on GJ. Yeah, I got scared. I got scared. I'm telling you straight. I was using because I'm doing the funding talent challenge, and I was trying to be very careful. This is one of the areas that I really need to work on, because in the beginning, when I over like well, beginning of each day, when I take my first trade, I am always scared. But once I lose or lose 2 trades, then my plan just goes out the window, and I start taking trades randomly, without any plan or anything like that. So I just need to focus on my first trade and be like, you know what, I've taken this trade. I just need to be confident, not just shut it, okay? Because I could have easily, it came to 80, yeah, within few minutes, yeah. As soon as I got the entry, it came to that area. Um, where was it? 808. Yeah, look, I got the entry. it went down to 66, yeah. So as soon as it broke down over here, I just got in. Yeah. No, it wasn't even this. It was around here. Yeah. I got in at like 2 or something. So it came down to 80. Yeah. This is where, so I got in at this point once this candle went down. So that's at 5 past 8, and then 7 past 8, you already down what, 20 pips. Yeah. Came back up and then dropped down again within the next 20-30 minutes. Yeah. This is exactly what's happened. So with this, what I did, okay, so I'll go back to this one so I can show what type of analysis that I did and what I was looking for. Yeah. Even though I knew what was happening, I was confident with it, even because when I look at the monthly, yeah, I can see a fake out. I can see a fake out, and it's about time. It's about time GJ actually did what it did, which is dropping. Yeah, which is dropping. We could potentially come here, but obviously these are the hurdles that the price has to cross. Yeah. So came on the daily. Daily was bearish, with the nice rejection wick at the top. Yeah. And when I came on to the 4 hour, which was over here, again, very, very weak bullish candle. Very weak bullish candle. And what you can do is you can draw your zone out here. Yeah. You got weak bullish candle. There's no way you know, in your career, don't ever take a buy on a small, weak, bullish candle. Wait for your trend to play out. Yeah. Again, what do we have with the trend? What do we have with the trend? Yeah. What do we have with the trend? What is going on over here? So we got higher high, higher low. Not a higher high, but not a lower low. It's like a double bottom. Then a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then this area could not make another high. This could not break the highs that it has made over here. So what it did, it came down, grabbed liquidity, came up here again, could not break this area. So when you are looking at this price, you have to realize, you have to be able to imagine and think, do you know what? The price is going up. It has tested this area few times, this area few times, and it's not able to break it. What are the chances of it going down? And you don't start selling over here. You don't start selling over here. You wait for the market structure to flip. You wait for it to change. Yeah. Which is um, not made a lower high, but not made a high high. Just made like a triple or fourth top. Yeah. And then come down. It's not a lower low, but it's not making highs anymore. It's not making highs anymore. So it makes a lower high, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then this you can't say it has broken out. Yeah, it's just like tapping that area, one tap, two tap, three tap. Yeah, and then it just started coming down. So what you see over here is this is the previous spot. Yeah, which you can say, do you want, if it breaks this, it's just gonna carry on going down. That's what it's gonna do. Yeah. And if we look to the right, we can extend it to the right. Okay, this looks like clean traffic. What we can do is we can zoom in here and say, do you know what, the price, it can keep dropping. Yeah, and the next area would be this, and then it can keep dropping, and the next area would be this. And this is what you're looking at. Even though the price, it went all the way down, kept shooting down. Yeah, you're just going with these ranges. Yeah. Okay, so now coming back to our area over here, let's just delete this guy. Okay, what has price done? So yeah, it has come down, made a lower high, yeah, sorry, lower low, it's gone up, made a lower high. Where is it gonna go? Where do you think it's gonna go? It's gonna keep going down. It's gonna keep going down, and what you have to do, you have to wait for your confirmation. Yeah. So what is your confirmation? With GJ, I did not get a better confirmation. Yeah. I was at this point I was in GU, yeah. But over here it came here, it could not break out of the previous within this small range, the high they made, it could not break out and they just started dropping. You would not get into a sell over here, yeah, especially when it printed a bullish candle. And you would not get into to a buy even though one, two, three, it closed above like three candles. You do not get in till it has actually broken out of this resistance and tested it. Yeah, broke up and then tested it. You do not get in, you wait for it. Yeah. So what you do is you draw your spot over here, resistance up there, and you wait for it to break. Yeah, which is exactly what I was doing. So so when you go on higher time frame 4 hour, you can draw your candle over here. It's around 200 level, which is not 200 like O level, which is another key level. So what you do is you just wait for it. It has dropped, and then you just buy it on a lower time frame with your stop loss just above like a previous candle, and then get in. Yeah, and just wait for it. As long as you have the confluence of higher time frame, the overall market structure within the intraday is going bearish. You have a weak 4 hour candle, and then you also have high volume time, which is London Open. This is the reason why I got into the trade. um, so yeah, this was it.